In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model a spherical alien drone mesh in 4 minutes. Let's create an icosphere. Tab, to go to edit mode, and 1, vertex select. Let's select this vertex. Shift, G, to select similar, and select amount of adjacent faces. Ctrl, I, as in India, to invert the selection. Ctrl, B, to bevel, and V, as in Victor, to vertex bevel like this. Let's extrude along normals. Change the pivot to individual origins, and S to scale. This is optional. I'll press Ctrl, G, to save the selection as a vertex group. I'll use a metallic material, and apply a glowing blue material for the selected faces. Let's select a triangular face, and Shift, G, to select similar by the area. Type, I, to extrude inward, and extrude downward along normals. We need to select the bordering faces between the pentagonal and the triangular faces and apply a new material for them like this. Alt-select this face loop, and Shift, G, to select similar by the area as well. Here are the full nodes. Please experiment with the settings to get the best result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.